The ghost in the machine, master dynamic prompting. Most people treat system instructions like a set it and forget it manual, but that's why your AI eventually loses its mind. You aren't building a static document. You're building a living brain that needs to adapt. Think of dynamic instructions as a GPS for the AI's logic. Instead of a rigid cage, it's a system that recalibrates every time the conversation takes a turn. The secret is using conditional logic gates instead of just plain text descriptions. This turns a generic chatbot into a precision engine that understands intent over keywords. You can inject real-time variables into the system layer to track the user's progress. This means the AI knows exactly where you are in the journey without you ever having to remind it. Great systems are designed with an internal feedback loop that checks for drift. If the AI starts to hallucinate, the dynamic layer pulls it back to reality before the user sees a single error. Stop writing thousands of words of instructions that the model will just ignore. Use high leverage if-then structures to keep the path clear and the processing speed high. This moves you from being a prompt engineer to a system architect. You're no longer just hitting the gas, you're building the entire engine from the ground up. Identify the 3 most common ways your current workflow fails. Then, write specific triggers into the system layer that handle those failures automatically. When your instructions are dynamic, the AI stops waiting for orders and starts anticipating your next move. It becomes a partner in the process rather than a tool on the desk. You don't need more information. You need a blueprint. Stop wasting months on courses you'll never finish. Hit the link in my bio to unlock the next step in our Reorg library.